Look, here we go.
You're an angel.
No, I saw y'all and I almost crashed into the tire. And so, oops, right there. You got a tire? Do you have the extra one in the back?
Yeah,
I can go ahead and replace it for you. Yeah, this is all we need right here. We got the tire right here.
Go ahead and bring the big boy out here.
Sorry. Look, here we go.
You're an angel.
No, I saw y'all and I almost crashed into the tire and I U-turned. I was trying to help y'all out before somebody like him got here. Cause I mean, I know what it's like, but he would have told you down the street for free. Usually a tow and go, they do it for free. But it was nice to meet y'all. I'm Cruz. If you ever need any mechanic work, hit me up. Thank you.